Today's program is on developing the WOTB habit, and in my 20 years of facilitating for RMC, here's a statement that I have seen from time to time: no time for WOTB. Well, a way to deal with that would be to brainstorm what's WOTB for. So we have a brainstorm list, and then we pick a few that are the priority ones to get started on. We'll pair that with a stop doing list, because what are the WOTB tasks we're going to stop doing so that we have the time to do the WOTB? So then a few months go by, and then a meeting is held, and again this comes up: no time for WOTB. So what's going on with that? Well, the problem with WOTB not getting done is not the person or lack of time. The problem is the existing system for getting WOTB done. This leads us to Atomic Habits by James Clear. I read this book earlier this year, and I think there's a tremendous amount of information that you can apply to help build and develop your WOTB habit. Here's a statement from the book: goals are good for setting a direction, but systems are best for making progress. If we're going to develop the WOTB habit, we've got to change our behaviors, and there's 3 layers to that. The first are the outcomes. This is what you get. I'm going to hold so many meetings a week. Here's what I'm going to do. The second layer are going to be the processes. These are the things you do to get the outcomes. Most likely they'll include the EL board meeting processes and something from RFP online. But the real behavior change can occur right here in the bullseye, and that is with your identity, what you believe, and how you think about yourself and others. And I'm suggesting to you to think of yourselves as a business owner. You've got to decide the person you want to be in your business and prove it to yourself with small wins. Well, here are the atomic habits as they relate to WOTB that we covered today. Make your cue obvious, make your craving attractive, your response easy, and your reward satisfying. And the more that you do this feedback loop, you will find yourself transforming into a WOTB superhero.